welcome back to Classic Susan. I do have my December BoxyLuxe. I mean, this box is huge this month. And I've taken the liberty of adding everything up on my card. And of course, this month's theme is whimsy. I have variation 11, and my total is 484 for this month. And this is a $50 every season. So kind of like FabFitFun, $50 every season. Okay, let's take our bubble wrap. Woo! Let's get rid of that. All right, so we're going to start off with this fresh, I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Fresh soy cleanser. I love this stuff. It takes off makeup. Just boom. And really don't need to double cleanse with this. It's that good. So let me see. I have some Ritual of Sakura. I much rather would have gotten the facial mist, but that's okay. Oh, that fresh retails for $48. This is Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day with a new beginning. It's a Zen foaming shower gel. A foaming shower gel. Okay. Well. Oh, that smells really good though. It kind of smells like a cross between the Skin & Co. with the Bath & Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom. And this retails for, let me see, hang on, $9.50. It's got technology, and supposedly it just takes a moment and you slow down, and it's fragrance. Yes, darling, yes. This is great. This is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. It cleanses the oiliest hair and scalp, and it erases odor. I don't know if it's anything like the Oribe that I am in love with, then maybe that'll be good. Let me spray some in here, and we'll see how it works. You know, my hair is like, this is second day hair, so. Oh, it does smell really good. Oh yeah, it smells really good. Here's the deal with this one. I have ones that I'm in love with. Like, you know, my favorite dry shampoo is the Pink Dove dry shampoo. And let me explain why. Not only does it take all the oil out, but it gives you an incredible amount of volume. This didn't give me a lick of volume, but my hair smells great. You know, so you kind of make your trade-offs. So this might be, yeah, it might be one of those Christmas presents for somebody special. All right, so let me dig further in here. Oh my goodness, I have so much stuff in here. Okay, I have the Too Faced Melted I Wanna Rock With You, which, you know, I may or may not like the color. We'll see. Yeah. That, not me. That is definitely not me. That will probably be given to someone else. I do like their melted lipsticks. That color is too much for me. And that is $21. Then we've got a selection that I made, and this is the QMS Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. And when I read the price of this, I was like, really? It's $200. I'm like, okay, well, we'll try it. I will update you on this. And I'll probably come back and do some commenting on this. $200, it better work. I don't expect lip injection perfect, but it better work, you know? You better work. Work it, girl. Come on now. This is the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Eyeliner. This retails for $20. I have lots of eyeliners, but I'm just gonna look at this one and see what makes this so unique. Okay. Oh. Alrighty then. Definitely you can do thick or thin lines. Let me show you what I just drew on my hand. So you can do thin, and this is a really good eyeliner. It does not feather, and once it's on, see that? It dries quick. Once it's on, it's on. It's gonna stay on there. It's not gonna move. Not gonna move. It doesn't sink into any wrinkles or anything like that, and it works perfect over glitter. Yeah. Not my favorite. I have lots. I just, you know, I'm kind of at a loss with why they would, I don't know. Anyway, not going to talk about that part. Sorry, got lost in myself for a moment, but that's a really good black eyeliner, and I know it'll work, and I will probably definitely be using this. Ooh, the Ciate Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. 'Tis the season to send me blusher. Fa la 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 la. I know I like Ciate London's face powders. I love them. I set my eyes with them on a regular basis. This is one of those marbled ones. And they're so soft. It's like so soft. And of course, it is that beautiful color that looks just like the one I have on right now. So I will definitely use this. It is so pretty. It is illuminating. It's glowy. It just kind of gives you that little sun-kissed look to your face. And I probably have so much makeup on, I'm going to have to wash all this off after this. But I do like this. This is really nice. And then we got... Yeah, I'm pulling up my sleeves because we got the eyeshadow palette from Storybook Cosmetics, and I am going to put everything else back in my little box. The lip corrector, and oh yeah, the Elemis. I also got the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I took that upstairs and I put it on this morning. I forgot to bring it back down here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it does, like, make your skin look good. And I will definitely update you in about 2 weeks, because that's usually how long it takes. Okay. So, this is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. And of course, I accidentally dipped my fingernail into one of the shades. So, it looks like we will be doing Kiss, which is one of those sequin eyeshadows, Thorn, and they feel really nice, and Fairies. So you see on the bottom we have Kiss, Thorn, and Fairies. And this is what they look like. Nice pigment. Very nice pigment on those. Darn it, I didn't bring a wipe over here. Give me a sec. I really do like the way that Kiss looks. And Fairies, I can probably, like, definitely layer that on something. All right, next we have Enchanted, Woodland, and Beauty. Enchanted is probably the best all over. So on this one we have Beauty. Ooh, my goodness, she's pigmented. Woodland, which is like a good all over base color. It's totally my skin color, so you can't really see it. And then you have Enchanted. Enchanted is a really pretty goldeny color. So you have those. Now here's my next bunch is Castle, Prince, and Grimm. Ew, Grimm feels a little rough on Grimm, but you know, Brothers Grimm were rough anyway. So here we have Castle. Oh, I like Castle. Okay, sorry. Prince. Oh, I like Prince too. And the rougher one, which was Grimm. Oh, now see, when I rub it against the skin, it doesn't feel rough, but when you swatch it, it feels kind of rough. Ooh, ooh, those two together. Do you see that? I'm sorry. I am a makeup junkie addict. I am out of space, and I have 3 more to do. Can I put them up here? I'm going to try to put them up here. I have Briar Rose, which is gorgeous peachy color. I have Spindle, and I have Talia. Ooh, and very little fallout with this palette. So we have Briar Rose. Oh, that's gorgeous. Spindle. Spindle needed a little work. And Talia. Talia is a little chunky. But they look gorgeous. I really like that Grimm. It's turning into like less like a maroony brown color. Very rich. Very, very rich. And here we go, a coughing. So that's it for this BoxyLuxe unboxing. I really like this month. I think I got a lot of winners, and there's really nothing in the box that, ooh, my hair. I sprayed that IGK in my hair, and now it's gonna just like be a little wild. There's really nothing in the box that I don't like this month. Nothing that I wanted to give away. I chose the LMS and I chose the QMS. Those were my choices. Hang on, the cats are fighting. Stop it! I'm sorry. So sorry. So these are the colors of that Storybook palette, and they are absolutely beautiful. Do you see them? They're gorgeous. I can't wait to do some looks with this palette. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I need to do looks with. Today I have on Violet Voss Essentials. It's a very, very easy palette to take care of your eyes when you're in a hurry. You know, you just boop, boop, boo, doo, 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 and in 5 minutes you have a great look. So anyway, in order to get a BoxyLuxe, you do have to be a BoxyCharm base box person, and the base box is $25 a month. And the Luxe, instead of getting a base box, you get the Luxe box instead. I love this. I can't wait to put this stuff on my face. I'm just gonna see how well they hold up. Ooh. Ooh, they hold up pretty good to what I call my day wear. They hold up pretty good. That's trying to wipe them off. And they are definitely still there. You can still see all of the swatches. They definitely have pigment to them. Because see, ooh, that's what they look like when they're all together. So anyway, if you would like to become a charmer, I do have a link down in the description box. I really love my LMS oil. It's beautiful. Can't wait to try the QMS on my lip lines. Now that I'm on vacation, it'll be much easier for me to do eye looks, film them, get them uploaded and ready for you to see. So I hope that you have a great December. I hope that all of your holiday wishes come true no matter what they are. And just remember, it's makeup. It's not permanent. It wipes off. It washes off. It goes away. But just remember this, that you are loved. And I really need to go mess with the cats now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Seriously, guys? Seriously. But, Sheba, I'm so sorry. I have to stop this. Good God. I'm definitely going to have to edit that out. Oh. Okay. Bye.